Welcome to the Science of Sales by Digital Results, where we teach you expert sales and marketing tips in under 3 minutes. Sniper targeting is the tactic on Facebook where instead of targeting a whole audience of users, you actually target only one individual user with one tailored ad specific to them. Let's assume you've met with a prospect and the meeting went well, but they didn't buy now. So you're left with essentially two options how to continue that relationship and try and get that prospect to buy later. Number one, and this is the most common thing people do, you can either harass that prospect and keep emailing them and keep calling them and try and get them to buy, but that usually just doesn't work because all the trust you've built up through that initial sales meeting is typically lost because you see now just as a simple salesperson. The second option is to not do any follow-up at all and just leave it up to the prospect to come back when they're ready. Now that also unfortunately doesn't work well because a lot of people unfortunately need a bit of prompting to do a sale or to complete the sale. Where Facebook sniper targeting comes in is exactly that next step or that third option where you can still prompt the user or the prospect at the time that they're ready to buy, but without being that harassing salesperson. Here's an example of sniper targeting in practice. A security company approached us because they were unhappy with their current digital provider. They were doing Facebook marketing for them, AdWords and so on. Now, they came to us and they showed real interest in using us, but a number of months went by and we never heard anything. So we didn't want to be that pesky salesperson. We didn't want to really push them. So we used Facebook sniper targeting. What we did, we created a specific ad which targeted only them, which is Facebook sniper targeting. But in the ad copy, we wrote, if you're looking for a digital agency which specializes only in specific security-based products, click here. So it was super relevant and super specific for them. Not only was the copy relevant, we actually had a picture in the ad which used their logo to really catch the eye when scrolling through Facebook, to make it really next level specific. And that's where the power lies within Facebook sniper targeting, because you can't get a more relevant or more specific ad than an ad that is designed around one individual customer. If you want to see a step-by-step guide how to do Facebook sniper targeting, click the link below and check out our blog. Thanks so much.